Alright, we are about to paint the calipers on the Q60. Check this one out. Alright, so today we are going to paint the big brake calipers for my Infiniti Q60. And I'm going to show you how to do it the easy way. Alright, this is a little sanding pad that I got from Amazon, which actually works good in a whole lot of different situations. But I just want to sand down and smooth out the part where I'm going to put the stickers at. So I want that a little bit smooth so it's not as bumpy as it usually do, but you want to get some of those marks off and other stuff. I'm not trying to do them perfect, I'm just trying to get them done. So you're going to see how easy this tool works for you, but this is something that you should have in your arsenal right here. Alright, now that I got them all sanded, I'm gonna go ahead and spray them down with some brake cleaner. You gotta make sure that they all cleaned off. Alright, now we're gonna let them go ahead and dry a little bit before I wipe them off. So I gotta wipe them down before I spray the primer on and tape them up. Or tape them up before I put the primer on. Alright, now I'm spraying the first coat primer on. Gotta let it dry for a second, but alright, first coat on the back side complete. We're gonna let that dry for about 10 minutes, then we're gonna spray the second coat. Alright, now we got the primer on, so everything looks pretty good. That looks pretty good right there. So I'm gonna let this sit here and dry for about 30 minutes or so before I spray the black. And then I might let it dry overnight before I put the clear on. But we'll see how that goes tonight. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, just after spraying the first coat of black. It's getting a little dark outside, but that engine paint actually works pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray these real quick. Then we're gonna flip them over, spray the other side. Alright, at this point, I went on to put the Nismo stickers on after I let the paint dry a little bit. So, looking pretty good for what I'm doing. But I'm actually pretty happy with the outcome. Look at that, looking all clean and shiny and good to go. But that's what we need to do. So, now I'm gonna show you the other part, I guess where they're outside in the sun a little bit. Why not? Go over here to the back. A little struggle with the back, but we made it work. Here's the finished product. You can't tell me that don't look good. Oh yeah, they came out clean, buddy.